If you're looking for a lightweight operating system that doesn't compromise on performance, Lubuntu might just be what you need. But does it live up to the hype as the best Ubuntu flavor for older hardware? Let's dive in. Lubuntu is essentially a lighter version of Ubuntu, designed to be friendly for users with older computers or those who simply want a faster, more efficient OS. It uses the LXQt desktop environment, which is known for its minimal resource usage. Right off the bat, the interface feels clean and straightforward, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned users. Setting it up is pretty simple, and the installation process is generally smooth, especially if you've used Ubuntu or similar Linux distributions before. However, some users might find the lack of pre-installed applications a bit limiting. It focuses on essential tools, leaving you to customize your experience. One thing that stands out is how snappy it feels, even on older machines. But if you're used to the full Ubuntu experience, you might miss some of the integrated features that come with heavier flavors. Overall, it caters to a very specific audience, those who want speed and efficiency over bells and whistles. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Lubuntu is incredibly lightweight, making it perfect for older hardware. It boots quickly and applications open almost instantly, which is a big win for productivity. The community support is also solid, with plenty of forums and documentation available. On the downside, you might feel a bit limited by the default applications. It doesn't come packed with everything you might expect from a heavier distro. Some users also report that certain software can be a bit tricky to install, particularly if you're looking for niche applications. Additionally, the aesthetic might feel too basic for those who enjoy more visual flair in their desktop environments. In short, while it excels in performance, it might not suit everyone, especially if you prefer a feature-rich environment. In conclusion, Lubuntu is a fantastic choice for anyone needing a lightweight operating system that runs smoothly on older machines. If you're fine with a no-frills experience and are willing to customize a bit, it's definitely worth trying. However, if you're looking for a full-featured environment, you may want to explore other options.